Thutha wa gũikara gwa ihinda, muthaki wa kwĩhoko wa Kenya Sevens Collins Injera niakuruhanitio harĩ timu ĩrĩa ĩranyita itemi mbitika-ini cia gikombe gĩa thĩ kwambĩrĩria tarĩki 9 nginya tarĩki 11 mweri ũyũ wa kenda. Injera ũrĩa gikombe kĩa World Cup athakire rĩa mbere mwaka wa 2009 kĩa Dubai na kũrĩa Kenya yakinyire ikereka rĩa semi-finals rĩrĩ rĩgũkorwo rĩ rita rĩake rĩa kana kũnyita itemi mbitika-ini ici.
It's nice to be back in the sevens fold. Of course, been a while since I was here. I had gone to the 15s, but I think now getting a chance to be named and just play in the World Cup, it's huge. Of course, everyone would want to represent the nation in the World Cup, and for me, I'm just grateful to be here.
Kũringana na kocha Damian McGrath, augĩte atĩ Injera nĩ ekuongerera hinya mwerũ harĩ timu ya bũrũri nĩgetha kwandĩkithia maumĩrĩra mega mũgarũ na mwaka wa 2018 San Francisco na kũrĩa Kenya makorirwo makĩrĩkia marĩ namba 16.
Collins brings a raft of experience. You know, he's lived it and done it. There's not many players on the sevens circuit over the years who've done and achieved what Collins has. He's been such a big influence in training over the last few weeks. He's very good with the younger guys, and he understands how sevens should be played.
Definitely, it's a knockout. It's a knockout tournament. I think you lose one game, you are out of the competition. I think for us, we just have to take it a game at a time. I think that's what we've been talking about. I think first game is stronger. And that's all where our energies are focused on. So for us, it's just one game.
Athaki angĩ makuruhanĩtio timu-inĩ ĩno ya Kenya Sevens nĩ William Baka, Anthony Omondi na muthaki mwerũ Vincent Onyara gatagatĩ ka angĩ.
This will be my second World Cup, and then coming in as a captain. And you know, World Cup is a knockout stage, so every game counts. So you have to take every game serious because it starts from the first game. So I think and it's a good blend of young players and new and a bit of old guys.
Rĩrĩ rĩgũkorwo rĩ rita rĩa mbere mbĩtĩka cia mũbira wa gonya gikombe gĩa thĩ gũtabanĩrio gĩtarũ gĩkĩ kĩa Africa. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimu.